Hello everybody and welcome back to another video where today I'm showing you guys how to earn money on your phone. Okay, before this video starts, you guys don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press on notifications. Also, if you guys wanna just follow me on Instagram and Twitter right there, RealCheetah9, and on Instagram RealCheetah9, and then on Twitter RealCheetah9YT. Go follow me there, and also don't forget to like my newest post. And my newest post right now on this time I'm doing the shoutouts. So I'm gonna do shoutouts. The shoutouts are gonna be said on Monday, February 12th, or I might extend that to Tuesday. But don't forget to go to the video, comment down below for shoutouts, and then you will get a shoutout. Anyways, let's get on to the video. So I'm talking about is that how to earn money. Maybe you guys are like kids or teenagers or people that can't get a job yet. And you don't even have like money. You might be broke or something. It's here, right here. Here, I'm raising my hand. Anyways, if you like, maybe like you don't have like money enough, or maybe you don't get allowances, like, and if you do chores and you just don't get money, or maybe just get there like maybe once or twice a year, this will be helping you. So one requirement you need is your phone. The second requirement is some storage to download it. And I think this both works on iOS and mobile. I will update it maybe after. I'll update it as a while if I could try to find an iOS device, and I'll try to update it. But I don't know. I know right now it works on Android, but I'm not sure about iOS. Anyways, let's get right on to the video. So the first app I'm showing you guys is called Smores. Smores is an app where you can do surveys and it will give you points. And when you get those points, you can do surveys and you can refer a friend to get 25. When you get those points, you can redeem your points for some gift cards. So like this gift card, I can get this to $1. I can get a $1.12 Amazon gift card, but I can't yet because it says that right here you must receive your lock screen point 10 times before redeeming. I only have 5 days left, so that's it. But I think it's like 10 days you have to wait, so I have to wait a little bit while. But for you guys, when you download this, you have to wait like 10 days. So yeah, it's a nice app. A lot of people use it, and you do surveys, and then you can also put on your lock screen, and they'll give you points. Like mostly, I get points. I get about 10 to 20 points every day. Not really. I got 50 points for the first one, but I get to 10 and 20 points a day. So yeah, that's how it's helping. So yeah, this is the first app. It's a nice app. You do surveys, you do your lock screen. You can also refer to a friend for more points. Yeah, this is the app Smore, and I hope you guys like this app. If you don't really want it, you don't have to. So I'm gonna show you the next app. We're also showing 2 apps. So this is the first app, and this is going to be the next one. So anyways, this is the second app, and the second app is called Sweatpoint. Sweatpoint is an app where you can earn money by walking. So I earn money by walking. So you can be running or walking, anything you want, but you have to be moving. So while you do this, like I only use this for about 3 to 4 days now. I usually use this when I'm walking to the school bus. So I usually hold it in my hand and I start walking, and it counts my steps. So usually if you get around see, look right now, let me just shake the phone for example. Okay, yeah, see, it's C. Okay, I'm kind of cheating now, but still, it's C. So after that, it will show you your steps stuff. So I so far earned right here on the bottom. I so far earned one. Hey, it just disappeared for a moment. Sorry about that. So far I earned is 1 points, 13 sweat coins. So I don't think that's money. I don't think you can transfer the money yet, but you can do stuff with it. So if you go over here to the offer, you can earn stuff with it. So you can get here, you can get stuff with it, and stuff, and you can claim your daily rewards, but you have to get invited first and stuff. And then here's all the big prizes right here. Like I really want to earn the iPhone X. That's the one thing I'm looking for, but that's gonna be a long time process. So anyways, no, I can't get it right now because I'm broke. But you take steps and then you will earn. So right now if you see in my so far, I did like 2,000 steps. So you have to do at least 2,000 steps. I think 2,000 steps until you earn like some cents. So like sometimes they don't count your steps, so you have to like force send it, because sometimes they doesn't count your steps and think they're fake, but sometimes they're not. Like I tested it, but they sometimes think it's fake. Anyways, you can also turn on the battery saver because it's gonna take your your battery a lot. And then the final thing you need to do, if you see on the bottom, walk outside. Doy. Yeah, so this is the app called Sweatpoint where you can earn money while you walk. So yeah, yeah. So one fact about Sweatcoin also is you need your locate. It's gonna need you to turn on your GPS. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for videos, daily uploads. I'm gonna try to do daily uploads. This might be upload the day after the shoutouts, or maybe not. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and also you guys tell me what kind of videos you guys want. I might upload a school vlog because I already have it set up. I already recorded it and everything, but I don't know when to upload. So tell me when you guys want me to upload. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and bye.